If Photoshop keeps snapping your layers, shapes, or objects into place when you're trying to make small adjustments, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off snapping in Photoshop quickly and easily. I'll also show you a faster temporary shortcut, plus how to fine-tune snapping so you can keep the useful snapping behavior and turn off the parts that get in your way. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's cover the easiest method, which is turning off snapping completely. At the top of Photoshop, go to the View menu. When the menu opens, look for Snap. If Snap has a check mark next to it, that means snapping is currently enabled. Click Snap once to uncheck it, and that will disable snapping across Photoshop. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and semicolon on Windows, or Command Shift and semicolon on Mac. Once that check mark disappears, Photoshop will stop automatically locking your objects into alignment while you move them. This is the best option if snapping is causing problems every time you drag something across the canvas. It gives you full control and lets you place items exactly where you want them without Photoshop trying to help too much. If you're moving text, layers, shapes, or artwork and want precision, this global toggle is usually the first thing to try. Now let's look at the fastest temporary method. Sometimes you don't want to turn snapping off completely. Maybe you like using it most of the time, but for one tiny adjustment, it keeps jumping to the wrong position. In that case, just hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while you're actively dragging the object. As long as you keep that key pressed, snapping is temporarily paused. The moment you let go, snapping turns back on automatically. This is really useful when you only need to nudge something a few pixels and don't want to change your settings every time. It's quick, flexible, and perfect for those moments when you need a precise micro adjustment. Next, if you still want some snapping behavior but not all of it, Photoshop lets you fine-tune exactly what you snap to. To do that, go back to the View menu and open Snap To. Here you'll see different options such as guides, grid, layers, and other alignment targets. If one of these is causing trouble, simply uncheck it. For example, if your design keeps pulling to the grid and you don't want that, turn off grid. If you're getting stuck to guides you no longer want, turn off guides. If layers are snapping in a way that makes it hard to position elements freely, you can disable layers too. This gives you much more control because you're not turning snapping off entirely, you're only removing the parts you don't want. So to recap, if you want to completely disable snapping in Photoshop, go to View and click Snap to turn it off. If you want a temporary workaround while dragging, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac. And if you want a custom setup, open View, then Snap To, and uncheck only the snapping options that are bothering you. That's the quickest way to turn off snapping in Photoshop and control exactly how alignment behaves in your workspace. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Photoshop setting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.